In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend Docusign Expiration. This process is straightforward and will take just about 5 minutes of your time. Let's dive right in and ensure your important documents remain accessible for as long as you need them. First, you'll want to navigate to the Docusign website. It's an incredibly efficient tool if you're not familiar with it already, offering a user-friendly interface for managing electronic signatures and agreements. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to find the Login button. It's generally located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking it will take you to the login page where you'll enter your credentials. Make sure you have those at hand for a smooth login process. After successfully logging in, you'll be redirected to your Docusign homepage. This is essentially your dashboard where you'll find all your documents and recent activity. Now direct your attention to the Start button. This key feature is prominent in the options available to you on your dashboard. Clicking Start is your gateway to creating and managing new documents. Once you've clicked Start, you'll need to select a document to edit. This brings us to the crucial next step, clicking on Advanced Options. Often we forget the importance of advanced features that only take a moment to explore but can offer expanded functionality. By clicking on Advanced Options, you open a gateway to further customize your document handling. Under these options, you will find the expiration settings. Click on Expiration. This section is what allows you to manage how long a document remains available for signing. By default, Docusign sets a standard expiration period, but here you can tailor this to meet specific requirements. Whether you need to extend this period by days, weeks, or even months is entirely up to you. It's important to note that you should already be aware of your organizational policies or any legal stipulations regarding document expiration dates to stay compliant. Once you've adjusted the expiration settings according to your needs, make sure to save these changes. And that's it. You've successfully extended your document's expiration in Docusign. With just a few clicks, you've ensured that your documents remain active and accessible for your various needs. If you ever find yourself needing to adjust these settings again, you now know how simple and quick the process is. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide makes your experience with Docusign even more efficient and beneficial.